Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you how to reset a Hamilton Beach Blender. Also, it would be really awesome if you like this video and subscribe to our channel. So let's get started. So if you're having some problems here with your Hamilton Beach Blender, and in this case, the first thing that you came into mind here is you want to reset it, just in case if you encounter any issues here. Now the thing with this Blender here is it doesn't have a necessary reset button or dedicated reset button here that resets your blender. So you need to consider a few things here. Now, blenders here by default has their own capacity. Now, if you go over that capacity here, you may experience some issues with blending whatever you're currently blending right now. So to be speaking, you don't want to go over the lines here that they indicated here, because if you overfill this, most likely the blender itself would stop working or overheat. Now, in this case, if that's the case, you may want to let your blender here rest for a bit, like a few minutes if you can. Now, in this case, if it's overfilled, it's going to overheat. And also, if you're like doing this like for a very long time, you're using the blender for like continuously for how many minutes here, it will obviously go or in this case it will overheat. So you want to make sure that you make it rest. So maybe like wait for about like 15 seconds, and while it's resting for about 15 seconds, you may want to unplug it as well so that no power or current is running into your blender. Now, in this case, you may want to also inspect your blender here and see if the blades are actually broken. Go ahead and check the underside here and see if it's still intact, so there are no like loose connections or whatever here. But once you've done that, you can go and just try using it again. So most likely, if it's not working, it might be overheating. It might be overheating. Sometimes, like in this case, just letting it rest can help a lot. So in this case, that's about it. Hopefully, this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.